Pause with Sanam episode 2. Today we will be discovering power of feminine strength. So it's her softness. So we are not comparing men and women, but we are trying to understand when we honor their natural differences how magic happens. Today I am in conversation with Dr. Harsha Lekhwani. She has 18 years of experience from US in holistic healing. She is an inner lighting healer, also works on inner child healing, confidence, relationships and much more. So what I like about her is she's not just giving us knowledge, but she has lived, felt, and practiced that knowledge as well. Welcome to the show, Dr. Harsha Lekhwani.
Thank you so much, Sanam, for having me. And it's such a beautiful platform and the topic that is so close to my heart. So I had to come.
Yes, thank you for being here. So I will start with our first area of this topic. How do you understand masculine and feminine energy today? Not as theory, but in your real life experience.
So, Sanam, gone are the days where masculine energy was all about men having it and घर की औरत is the feminine energy. In fact, आजकल ये हो गया है कि आप every second देखोगे every other बंदा, be it a man or be it a woman, they are in both roles.
जो फेमिनाइन एनर्जी है ना उसको हमेशा डिग्रेड किया जाता है. सी पीपल फील लाइक के females they take decisions with their emotions. So that's what I want to ask, how this difference in today's world exists.
Sanam, when we say this, it's a very broad concept. Every person has a different journey and they have different experiences. So basically, पहले तो हम खुद से शुरू करते हैं कि हम जब पैदा होते हैं तो फर्स्ट लाइन एवरी पेरेंट और एवरी पर्सन लर्न्स इज लोग क्या कहेंगे. सो यू ऑलवेज ऑपरेट फ्रॉम दैट एनर्जी. और फिर ये जो इतने बड़े डिफरेंसेस है ऑफ अ मस्कुलाइन एंड फेमिनाइन एनर्जी, इस पे तो बहुत कम लोगों का ध्यान जाता है कि हाउ आर माई ट्रेनिंग माई बच्चा, कि मैं उसको फेमिनाइन एनर्जी में आने भी दे रही हूँ या नहीं.
Yes, yes.
And apart from that, society also plays a very big role in this thing. अगर आप किसी ऐसी कम्युनिटी में हो जहाँ पे फीमेल को स्ट्रेंथ देखा जाता है, so by default they will train them like that. But if you are in a community where women are considered कि यार तुम पीछे रहो, तुम्हारे से नहीं होगा, तो तुम हमेशा वही चलाते हो. It's easy. Change is very hard. एंड उसको इनकलकेट करना, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स, और ये हर एक की बात नहीं है.
बट आजकल तो ऐसा ही हो गया है ना कि यार मुझे खुद को प्रूव करना है. आई नीड टू वर्क, आई नीड टू बी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, एंड वुमेन दे आर ट्राइंग टू जस्ट बी लाइक men. Yeah. They are trying, of course, because they feel like when I have power, I'm strong with my words, I'm not being emotional in my decisions, and that way I'm getting stronger. So I want to ask you, what we need to make them understand that it's not about that you need to have those kind of energy to make you stronger. How you can be yourself and yet be stronger.
Yes, that's possible when they realize the power of feminine energy.
Yeah.
फेमिनाइन एनर्जी खुद में एक इतना बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट है एंड इट्स अ ज्वेल. पता है, जब भगवान ने, अगर सपोज अभी से एक माउंटेन का एग्जांपल लेते हैं कि बताया, तो मेन वाज ऑन द बॉटम, उनको सिखाया गया था कि यू हैव टू क्लाइंब एंड रीच एट द टॉप, एंड फीमेल्स वर टॉट कि यू आर देयर क्वीन, सिट देयर एंड सी द मैन इज डूइंग राइट और नो. बट ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जैसे एवोल्यूशन हो गया, मैन स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि यार ये तो बहुत ऊपर बैठी हुई है, शी इज डूइंग नथिंग, एंड ये कब रिवर्स कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया. एंड फेमिनाइन ऑल्सो लॉस्ट दैट टच कि यार आई एम अ मैनिफेस्टर. इफ यू सी, फीमेल्स आर वेरी गुड मैनिफेस्टेटर. हम बोलते ना मम्मा दुआ करना मेरा एग्जाम अच्छा जाए. डू यू से अमेन, पापा दुआ करना मेरा एग्जाम अच्छा जाए? बिकॉज फेमिनाइन एनर्जी इज लाइक दैट. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये वाला पावर लेडीज को दिखाया बहुत कम गया है. फ्रॉम द टाइम आई एम बॉर्न, आई एम नॉट सीइंग कि इसको बहुत अच्छे से पावर दिया.
Putting it together, you said feminine energy is all about, we are great manifestors, and then we also have quality of managing emotions with logic. We women have that quality, but still we are trying to do things that leave emotions behind and do things like
Masculine energy.
yeah.
Yes.
So I want to ask you that was there any moment in your life when you felt like I don't want to use my feminine energy and I want to be like your brother, husband, or maybe someone around you with the masculine energy?
This is a superb question, Sanam, because that gives me an idea. Or when you share your personal experience, it's more connecting. So
Yes.
I have something to share about it. Very less people know that I wanted to be an interior designer.
Okay.
And when I told that my family मुझे interior designer बनना है, believe me, इतने सारे questions थे. तुम interior designer? Have you listened to your voice quality? कि अभी better है. I was so soft spoken
Yeah.
that if I talk to you, you won't be able to hear that I'm saying hi, Sanam.
Yeah.
It was that, and believe me, you will be a disaster in this field. This was the verdict that I got from everyone.
Okay.
And I was like, why? Because ये एक मेल डोमिनेंट फील्ड है एंड इसमें लेबर्स होते हैं एंड लुकिंग एट योर वॉइस क्वालिटी और योर हम्बल नेचर, या तुम्हें कोई भी पागल बना के जाएगा, मैम आज मुझे पैसे दे दो, कुछ ये हुआ, एंड यू विल गिव because you believe blindly, and this is a
Yeah.
feminine quality. So it was so deeply ingrained in me that I gave up my dream. Boss, I can't be an interior designer.
Okay.
And then life has its way of testing you. So we are two sisters, and my father felt ill, and there was a lot of corruption going on in my father's company, and I had to join it. And guess what? It's a road construction company.
Oh my god.
250 men directly or indirectly reporting me. And yes, imagine I have to go there, and all those voices were there in me. तुम soft spoken हो, तुम तो बात ही नहीं कर पाओगी, तुम तो सवाई भी नहीं कर पाओगी.
Right.
And there is no male in the family, and I have to go and take care of this business. I really don't know how, but you know, that shit was so natural और so एक बोलते थे कि रातों रात आप पूरे मर्द बन जाते हो. I was a walking, talking masculine energy. I started dressing up in power suits. I used to talk like as if, listen, you can't mess with me. So ruthless.
Okay.
And the girl that you see me today, that empathy or I read energy, that has no connection with the Harsha I was at that time. And that really taught me that softness is weakness at that time.
At that time.
At
So
that
yeah,
time.
that's the point कि our society हमें ऐसे फीड कराया जाता है कि यार you can't be soft.
You can be.
It happened with me as well. Like, you know, still I have a soft voice. Practice in the mirror to be loud, but it's inbuilt. I can't speak louder. So like few years ago, I started accepting myself that why don't I turn my weakness which I am understanding into my strength, because many people they understand things with a soft angle rather than you are being harsh or you are being that loud with your words.
Yeah.
So then I got my understanding of feminine energy is not about being loud.
It's about being heard.
Yeah, it's about being heard. And when you are able to understand someone's emotions and then you are also using your rational thinking, that's the beautiful match a God has given us. And why we females are into the race of just getting that kind of power which masculine energy has.
The question way, let's take example of India. Till date, अब वो कम हो गया है. Having a male child was the authority anybody can get, you know. कि you have a male child, amazing, यही तुम्हारा घर आगे लेके जाएगा. Having a female child, oh my god, this is a disaster. So understand a female जिसने पूरी life उसको acceptance ही नहीं मिला है. I am a female, I have to be under a man. मुझे अपने पापा की सुननी है, मुझे अपने भाई की सुननी है, फिर मुझे अपने पति की सुननी है, and at the end of the day मुझे अपने बेटे की सुननी है. And in this state, अगर उसको एक और बेटी पैदा हो रही है, what do you think, उसको क्या ट्रेनिंग देगी सनम? वो बोलेगी सॉफ्ट रहो? नहीं, she will tell, be hard. It's very tough to survive. Men are out there to get you. ये and पता है इक्वालिटी नहीं चाहिए थी, यहाँ पे बात रिस्पेक्ट की होनी चाहिए थी. बट ये रेस कब चेंज हो गया और वो इक्वालिटी पे आ गया कि मेन एंड वुमेन आर इक्वल. इट इज देयर डिफरेंसेस आर रिस्पेक्टेड की जगह पे they are equality.
And
वो
that's
सब rat
that's
race
the
बन गई.
main point of this conversation कि society ने अब ठीक है educate करके ये समझा दिया है कि नहीं equality है, हम equal हैं, we will do things equally, but the actual thing is not that.
It's about respect.
Yeah, we are not equal, we are different.
And that's the beauty.
That's the beauty. But firstly society ने हमें पहले ये feed किया कि तुम you have to follow instruction. जहाँ you know your father, your brother, your husband, ठीक है. उसके बाद हमें ये train किया गया with education कि no, इक्वालिटी है, हम सब साथ में करेंगे, वी विल डू इक्वल वर्क, आई विल गो आउट, आई विल ऑल्सो अर्न, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ किड्स, यू हैव टू डू लॉन्ड्री, एवरीथिंग विल बी इक्वल. बट देन अगेन वी लॉस्ट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दैट वी आर नॉट इक्वल, वी आर डिफरेंट, सो वी शुड have we should be honored like that only. And how do we explain to the people, that to the women especially, that we are different?
I guess so. Charity begins at home. So whoever is listening to this podcast, if they can just connect, the females especially, within themselves and see, am I living my feminine energy? And or is it कि मैं एक रेस में हूँ already? And also जो अगर suppose if I am in my masculine energy, is it because I want it, or is it because I was trained like that? Let me tell you one story here about myself. I told you that we are two sisters, right? So for a longer period of time, my father always thought कि यार मुझे लड़का नहीं है. And what if I die? What about my daughters?
Yeah.
So वो इतना deeply ingrained किया गया था ना. Don't waste your time. ये ड्रामा कौन देखता है? Believe me, till I was in my college, मैंने टीवी पे कोई ड्रामास नहीं देखे थे because my father had shouted me, ये सब औरतें करती है. But that was like a taboo. औरतें का कोई काम नहीं करो तुम. Yes, and it was not because he wanted a male child. It was purely because of the protection that he wanted for me. If I am not there, my child should not be dependent on somebody else. So I understand that. But thanks to the healing work and whatever my journey had been, when I saw your feminine energy itself is so beautiful, and I can still rule the world. I can still achieve my targets without getting harsh on myself. I can still manifest. So for me, it's a double game. I have my targets. I don't push myself. I know the technique of manifestation, and my work is still being done.
Yeah.
So this is not something fancy कि इसे मैं कर सकती हूँ. We women are blessed with sixth sense. Every woman is blessed.
Yes.
So it's just you take a pause, you tap into it, and you will see amazing changes.
Don't you think is to understand this as well, self-awareness के phase से पहले जाना पड़ेगा?
Yes.
Because to understand your energy, first you need to understand yourself, your strengths, your weakness, what you are doing, and how much you are affected by your environment. First वो acceptance आना बहुत मुश्किल है.
For that we need a pause, ना?
Yeah.
To go inside.
Yeah.
So वो pause भी पता है या तो life आपके लिए लाती है. Like I have learned all this through losses. So my journey has never been about, not in terms of money, but in terms of relationships, in terms of friendship that didn't work out, in terms of my miscarriages. So every time I had a loss, life gave me a choice. Either get into your masculine energy, ठीक है यार deal कर लेंगे, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Or to be in that, ये मेरे साथ हुआ है तो what's it
Accept the
teaching
pain
me?
and then
हाँ ये मुझे क्या सिखा रहा
learn
है?
how to take yourself out of that
And ये
pain.
quality सिर्फ woman में है.
है.
Men में नहीं है.
But जब वो लोग भागना छोड़ेंगे towards being what they are not, then only they will be able to discover themselves. Because society is teaching different things every time. Because they are just following the systems created by people with different mindset, different environment that time, no education that time. So we need to create, and firstly we need to understand ourselves to understand these things better.
Yes, there was this movie ना हक जिसमें वो बोलती है read, don't believe what you're taught.
Yes.
So it is same way कि when you want a change, first pause. किसी और क्या सोच रहे हैं, ये चार लोग क्या कहेंगे,
No.
God, when is this going to end? When you come out of this notion ना, then everything starts falling in the place. Because आधा टाइम तो हमें हमारे टाइप, जैसे मैंने बोला मुझे इंटीरियर बनना था, मैं नहीं बन पाई इंटीरियर डिजाइनर. हम किससे शादी करेंगे, हम कैसे बोलेंगे, हम कैसे बैठेंगे, हम कैसे ड्रेस होंगे, ये सब तो सोसाइटी हमारे लिए तय कर लेती है.
So we are not living our life. We
No
are
ways.
just हम लोग तो puppets हैं. We are just going how society is
Society
doing.
wants
So
to take
first we
us,
need
yes.
to, and it's a beautiful thing when you start finding your energies. Magic happens. It
Yes.
happened with me.
Yes, you change.
You change completely. आपको समझ ही नहीं आता है अचानक से आप में क्या हो गया है कि आपको कुछ भी इफेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है. Because you now know your energies, your strengths. Now you're working on that instead of just believing that what society is saying and then doing it.
You know, when you come in this space, I say you become the most powerful and dangerous person on earth because nothing is affecting you,
Yes.
and you are so free, and you give others also that freedom.
Very true.
So it's a very beautiful place to be in.
True. Why is emotional intelligence still seen as a, softness rather than a powerful element of feminine energy?
Sanam, anything that is measurable is easy to be accepted. Suppose अगर हम men बोलते हैं, they build house, they get good cars, they have properties, ये सब दिख रहा है, it's measurable, it's there on papers, you get applause for it. But something that is not measurable or not seen is always put under the carpet.
Right.
Suppose it's easy, किसी का ये ध्यान देना, उसके लिए कितना softness चाहिए ना, ये females ही समझ
This
सकती
is
है.
a very interesting point, but nowadays men are also trained to understand women.
They are trained, they are not fully trained.
They are not, but nowadays this kind of things are going on social media as well, that because चीजें divorce rates बढ़ रहे थे and men, they are not able to understand what females go through. They have their energy, but still they also go through so many changes in their bodies as well, and why their softness can be used as a strength as well. So firstly they used to feel like कि नहीं यार हम ही ज़्यादा powerful है, but nowadays they are being trained for that.
I would say percentage अभी भी बहुत
For
there is a need,
yeah.
and it has to come from within. जो चीज़ आप ट्रेन कर रहे हो ना, जैसे suppose if I am learning, मैं CA का एग्जाम करना है, मैं पढ़ूंगी, but will I remember all the points? No. But feminine energy is born with that quality, so you don't have to train her. This
she
change will
will
take a lot of time. We have just started stepping into this change. Sanam, it is so sad. You were saying ना कि क्यों नहीं हमें वो acceptance मिलता है. I was seeing this ad the other day. It's a very beautiful ad जहाँ पे एक lady deliver करती है and everybody goes and sees the baby, उसको hug कर रहा है, congratulating the man as if the man has gone through the 9 months journey and he was the one जिसको operation हुआ है और gone through that painful trauma. But this is how the training has been, and it is never about a balance. कि यार इसने भी किया, and ये acknowledgement, जैसे you were saying कि train किया जा रहा है, अगर ये men का खुद से आ जाए, wow यार my wife gave me a baby, wow this happened, and every individual rather than training, you see it कि can I be a bit feminine? In other words, a woman becomes father to the men, but a man hardly becomes mother to the woman.
Yeah, that
ये
is-
वाला अगर हो जाए, so we all will be respecting the differences.
so that will start with our kids only, na? We will start
us
training
also.
our kids.
Yes,
Yeah.
us, me. अगर मैं ही अपने feminine energy में नहीं हूँ तो
So putting it together, we need to first should have self-awareness. For that, so many things are coming up now that you should
Help
sit
us
with yourself and talk to yourself or try to find out your purpose in life, and then you understand your feminine energy. When you understand your feminine energy, that softness is not weakness, and so that, and then third, we need to train our kids to
respect the
feminine
energies.
energies. Yes, So these three things are very important.
Yes.
When did you reshaped your own way?
Like, are you asking me that when I came from the masculine energy to the feminine energy? Yes. So, son, I'm handling my father's business. I am into this, 365 days I am in my masculine energy, and here I get married. Now, marriage is altogether a different ball game, boss. You have to have that balance of masculine and feminine energy.
True.
So when I came into my married life, I just felt two masculine energies are working together because I am already in that phase, Listen, because I had become ruthless. Now I had to handle 250 men, and now I want to be that soft. अब वो अचानक से training नहीं होती है.
It
Then
takes
there was
time.
time. Incidences happen, and then there was a point where I felt, this is feeling very empty, And if I move like this marriage is not going to hold good for a longer time.
Because emotions are lost.
My man is not looking for men.
Hmm.
Believe me, Sanam, men are not looking for beautiful women or the perfect woman till date. They look for a female who makes them feel like home.
So it
makes
comes from
them-
emotion.
Yes.
And softness.
Yes. Who makes them feel like, listen, I hear you. I know you have had a tough day and I hold you together. And that is where my journey started for the feminine energy. What are my inner qualities? If Harsha was this soft, that people used to think इसकी voice के वजह से तो she can't do anything. She's so humble. Can I bring these qualities into my relationships? And it engraved such a beautiful path that I started, spreading this work. And when it was COVID, around 36 marriages, counselings were going under me, and which were filing for divorce. And out of which I believe 34 marriages, really beautifully, they are blossoming, having
Wow.
kids. 2 of them were when I said कि listen, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. I think you should quit. And one more thing that I realized कि जब मैं soft हो रही हूँ ना, तो I give my partner the permission to take over. Have you heard of this concept of Shiva and Shakti? We as a couple make a beautiful Ardhanarishwar. Even in my case, I always say start with yourself. Rather than general statements, I wouldn't say like my partner has understood me completely. I'm giving this fancy this. There are differences, and that's the beauty. There are times when I want him to understand कि what is feminine. मुझे ऐसे करो, be a bit feminine yourself. But if he is not, then again I have two choices: to step into my masculine energy or be feminine for myself and hold myself together.
Yes.
Why feminine energy has to always be about दूसरों को hold करना? पहले खुद को भी तो कर
To
ले.
start with yourself
And that
things
makes you
they
powerful.
change. Yeah.
Yes.
When you are into your true energies, many people around you they also change. By
see you
just
different.
witnessing you that you are into your true form. But when you are trying to be someone other, things mess up.
You have a friend who's working and she's always saying, "तुम housewife हो," and you take that pressure. Oh my God, I'm doing nothing.
Yeah.
And when that comes, because you are not in touch with your feminine side, it's okay, dude. I don't know.
Because you're not spending time with yourself. You just have engraved yourself to be, what is happening in the society. I need to be number one to get the position. So you're into competition.
acknowledgement.
Wow. This person, this lady, she's running a business. These things, really make you feel like you have achieved something. But I'm
Measurable
very
things.
sure internally, because you're not aligned with your energy, you won't be feeling satisfied.
That's true. You feel vocal.
And I had interest in asking regarding your cases, like the people you healed, as you mentioned that you have healed so many marriages as well. So if okay with you, can you share one of the example when
Saran, without taking any names, I would like to say I have seen females who are not in touch with their feminine side. They feel like marble statues. They are flawless. Achieved everything. But they don't have that warmth. They don't have that emotions. And you don't miss a marble statue, right? Suppose if you are in a party and two females are coming, one is just perfect, you know, hair in place, she's talking perfect, she's just somebody you admire, but you admire. She's not somebody when she goes you will miss her.
Yeah,
But then
very
there is
true.
a female who might be average looking or who might be very beautiful, but her smile touches her heart, you know, and she gives you that warmth. Oh yeah, you're welcome. Her hug is welcoming. And when she leaves, you miss that warmth is lingering still there.
True, true.
So if you're not that person for your husband, things will be very imbalanced. Yes,
yeah.
and also for the men, if you are not acknowledging this quality of your female, it is going to create an imbalance. And it is both way. I would say कि एक फीमेल को अगर अपनी रिस्पेक्ट करनी है अपनी एनर्जीज की, तो मेल को भी ये समझना होगा. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मेन हु थिंक कि यार मैं अकेले कमा रहा हूँ, है ना, पूरा लोड मेरे पे, एंड दे स्टार्ट ट्रीटिंग यू एज इफ यू आर अ बर्डन इन द हाउस. सो बेचारी फीमेल हैज नो अदर ऑप्शन to, you know, come into masculine energy. And when I was treating these things, I realized, जैसे मैंने कहा था कि if I was not accepted as a girl child, I will definitely not teach my child to be having that girl's quality. So ये इतना vacuum हो गई है females. They have, बहुत छोटा सा एक example था, lady thought यार ये क्यों है कि मुझे जाके उसको पानी देना है when he's coming from work. ये तो पहले से चलता आया है, but it is
But now they are trying to change कि we are equal.
हाँ, तो मुझे क्यों बोल रहे हो? So ये बहुत silly चीजें हैं. But it is not about the female is below her, below the man, and वो इसलिए उसको पानी दे रही है. It is about, ओ यार कोई आया है थक के. I do it to the postman also if he is coming to deliver a courier as भैया बहुत गर्मी है आपको पानी चाहिए. This is my strength as a feminine.
That's what I said ना, we are missing the real part.
And यही छोटी छोटी चीजें आप देखोगे ना, जो आप बोल रहे थे कि डिवोर्स रेट्स बढ़ गए हैं, कुछ मेजर नहीं है सनम. It is only giving space to each other, acknowledging what is different and respecting and supporting each other. पर इसको बहुत अलग ले लिया कि कमा नहीं रही है, she is not my partner. You know, जैसे कितने टाइम तो ये होता था दहेज ले आ जाता था. We see in that Hindi movies ना, इतना बड़ा है इतना दहेज चाहिए.
तो अभी तो ठीक है.
हाँ, तो
एजुकेशन इक्वालिटी है,
बट गर्ल को इतना ट्रेन कर लो भैया दहेज नहीं लेके आएगी, ये भी लाखों की पे स्लिप लेके आ जाएगी. सो ये है, एंड ये बहुत स्टूपिड डिफरेंसेस है. अगर बहुत अच्छे से कोई इंसान बैठ के सोचे, और ये वैक्यूम इतना बड़ा कर दिया है लेडीज के लिए. I have had females who say, I would rather raise a dog than producing a kid because I don't want that responsibility now. I am done with it. I have seen such cases also. So I understand giving a birth, it's such a beautiful feeling.
It's a beautiful feeling, and that's the best part of being a female.
And हम उससे भाग रहे because of the peer pressure that everybody has created. It's sad, but irony is, we say society, but ladies भी आपको pressurize कर देती है.
We need to work on ourselves. It's important to stop the race and just start yourself. हम लोग सत्संग ये सब सुन लेते हैं, but spending time with yourself and realizing what is going wrong is important.
Self inventory is the basic of everything.
So what belief about strength did you release?
But I don't have to be strong to survive. I have to start living and honor all my emotions which are raw. I don't have to pretend to fit in. And if I'm just being me, it gives me a lot of freedom. And life becomes so beautiful that I'm flowing.
True.
So instead of that hardness that, you know, boss becomes strong, I don't want that. I just want to be me.
This looks so real.
Yes, and amazing freedom.
So there's a beautiful, feeling, and you feel like internally I'm flourishing.
Yes.
When you know your energies, you go through that phase of knowing yourself. I have dipped with myself. I really can feel कि पहले लोग आपको degrade करेंगे. She's changing. society के हिसाब से नहीं चल रही है, she is different. But then at the end, when you are into your energy, people start admiring you as
There are people who will come into the room and you will feel like, why are they here, yaar? That's
Then
energy.
when you are in your pure form, you start understanding energies more.
More. So when you're talking about energies, if you are so fulfilled in yourself, you're so into yourself, you know, you are in a room. Take this example, आप किसी room में हो, and there will be people who will, you know, you are that person who needs approval.
Yeah.
ठीक है? So there you will start feeling like a burden around people because you are always looking for that approval. And if you're into your own element, you know, I know what I am and I love myself and I accept everyone as they are. People will come and talk to you. Can I have a minute with you? Sanam, I really like the dress you're doing. And it comes so natural.
It comes natural.
And you also, when you are in that element, your intuition become very high. You suddenly know ये पर्सन मेरे लिए अच्छा है या नहीं
है.
सो सिक्स सेंस के लिए कोई काम नहीं करना पड़ता. यू जस्ट हैव टू बी इन योर एलिमेंट. दैट्स इट.
True. Very beautifully explained. Very true. So, what do you think when women are exhausted, internally being stronger? So what happens?
They give up, Sanam. They break. They give up.
break.
They don't want to carry it further. You remember I said there were 2 marriages which I thought is not going to work out in the time of COVID. So there was this marriage of, I guess, 35 years. This lady has done everything to make this marriage work beautifully. And I could see that she is at that point like, boss, I'm done. I'm done. But again, she was in that 2 minds. What next? वो fear रहता है ना, what next? But once she started this healings and all, she understood it. Even if there is what next is not there, right now I have to quit this.
Okay.
So if you bring a female to that point that she is exhausted, she will either give up, she will either break, and then she will turn her face and you're not going to get her back.
True.
And she will also maybe become so permanent in her masculine energy that years of untraining will not again bring her to that feminine side because she's that deeply hurt.
And at the end, her life will be compromised. The main
essence will be
goal,
lost.
yeah. So, Harsha, if feminine intelligence were understood, what will change according to you?
Wow, amazing freedom and this kind of acceptance that I don't have to prove anybody. And she will be in her own element, enjoying life, making life worthwhile for others also. And she wouldn't have to be that I have to earn for my living. I am emotionally available. I give meaning to things. I hold my relationships together. I hold myself together. I am a cocoon which can give birth. And it will be so beautiful that you will also have a female who's opening a door and smiling and waiting for them and come here, I was waiting for you.
Yeah.
Because she's not under that pressure. Oh, I had a hard day and you're coming and expecting me darwaza khol ke ruku. Very small example,
Very small,
but that
yeah.
amount of freedom and you know that talks on the tables will be different. जो हम बोलते हैं ना फीमेल सपोर्टिंग फीमेल, ये
That-
तब आएगा जब हम उनसे ये प्रेशर ले लेंगे.
Right. So, do you see yourself in your purest form of feminine energy today?
80% yes. I wouldn't say that I am totally feminine because yes, I have dreams, I have aspirations. Of course, I am not into that deadline things, but yes, this is a part of me that I adore. That I have targets in my life, I want to achieve them, but not very hard way. You know, ki this is my deadline. If I want to take a pause, I will take a pause.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I earn to feel, you know, okay, I have qualities and I am doing justice to that.
So, for that 20%, how are you working towards?
No, I want that 20% to be in me because that allows me to set boundaries. Otherwise, if I was 100% feminine, I had seen people were taking me for a joyride. So that 20% I would say is for my safety. That
Till
it
that-
gives me a reference. I don't become hard, but I know how to set boundaries.
Till the time society completely accepts the
Yes,
feminine.
I feel safe enough that yes, I can be totally into my feminine thing. As a healer, I am 100% feminine. As a homemaker, I am 100% feminine. But when it comes to my individuality, I want, in fact, I believe it's not even 80-20, it's 50-50. I know how to switch. But it came with an experience, with working over so many years.
Okay. And that goes with men as well. They also need.
They also, ये जो statement होता है ना, men don't cry.
Yeah.
Please, men can cry. इतनी
Balance.
femininity उनको भी दे दो.
Yes. And what would you like to suggest to women who will be watching this podcast?
That if you are in touch with your feminine energy, amazing, please don't lose it. And if you have stopped believing in your feminine energy, it is not gone. You just need to tap within. And it is going to bring you beautiful shifts. So please don't be reluctant.
So if they want to do it, where to start with?
First, I think is the acknowledgement. Yes, I have got heavy on myself and I am taking a lot of pressure and I need to break this cycle.
Okay.
First is acceptance of this. And after that, everything is available on a tap of a phone here. And we are there, you are there, people can connect with anybody, there are friends. And also I would like to tell a message that if you see a female, she's breaking, please be with her. Maybe silently,
Yeah.
maybe in words, maybe with a hug.
And don't judge her.
And don't judge her. So there are conversations where you see a female is being taken for a joyride. Oh, tum housemaker ho. Please don't join the race, don't join the gang and bully her. Because it's her softness, it's her, what she is doing is not measurable in terms of monetary, but she's of course adding to her house, her society in general. Believe me, where there is a will, there is a way. When you put that intent that I want mine like friends, universe always makes a way.
Yeah. True.
So I know that you have created such group,
Yeah.
and who thought that we will have such thing in Jalgaon?
Yeah.
So that was, maybe some lady must have thought that I need a female group who can support me.
So like we can start with ourselves and
Yes.
things will keep getting multiplied. Yeah. So thank you, Harsha. It was such a wise, honest and raw conversation with you. I hope the women who will be watching, they will get inspired and they will start searching for their feminine energy and trying to do it by starting with self-awareness first and then surrounding with such kind of people, then spending time with yourself as well.
Sanam, what I want to say is, so to make it very short, I would say safety without warmth is cold, and warmth without safety is unstable. So we need both,
Yeah.
masculine and feminine energy to
both.
keep going.
Yeah. True.
And masculine energy makes you feel that I have to live, I have to create. And feminine energy gives you that feeling it's worthwhile. So for me, I would say I need both the energies.
So I just want to add that our future doesn't need women who are hard. They need women who are whole
Yes.
and they believe in themselves. So yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
In other words, the strongest women I know are not the loudest one, are not the perfect one.
Yeah.
They are in fact the warm, the most polite, the most strong females that I know.
Yeah.
So you're blessed with, usko hi nikharo.
Right.
Rather than trying to be someone you're not.
Yeah.
What you're blessed with, start making it more, expanding it.
Yeah.
And then it's going to flourish.
Yeah.